In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page on Wix. If you've been working on your website and need to remove a particular page, don't worry, the process is simple and straightforward. Let's dive into the steps to get this done. First things first, you need to access the Wix website editor. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wix editor. This is the place where all the magic happens, where you can manage and customize your website. You'll need to log in with your account credentials if you haven't already. Once you're inside the Wix editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find the main toolkit you'll be using to interact with your website. Focus on the Pages and Menu section because that's where our journey to delete a page begins. Give it a click. This particular area is essentially the control center for the various pages on your website. It lists all the pages you currently have, and from here, you can manage them easily. Now that you're in the Pages and Menu section, you should see a list of all the pages. Find the specific page you've decided to delete. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the right one, because you wouldn't want to remove something important by mistake. Once you've pinpointed the page you wish to delete, direct your attention to the three dots, which are like a mini control menu found next to each page listed. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. It's a neat little feature that lets you access several options concerning the selected page. After you've clicked on those three little dots, a menu will pop up with various options. Now, look for the option labeled Delete. It's important to remember that deleting a page is irreversible through the Wix editor itself, so be certain you no longer need the contents of this page. Having clicked on the Delete option, be prepared for one final confirmation step. A prompt will appear asking if you're sure that you want to delete the page. It's a crucial step to prevent accidental deletions. If you're positive, go ahead and click Delete again to finalize the process. And there you have it. You've just successfully deleted a page from your Wix website. Always remember to double-check which page you're removing to avoid any mishaps. If you ever need to add a page again or recover from an accidental delete, the Wix editor is there to help you build and rebuild your site with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy website editing.